When they talk about fight or flight, the first part of fight or flight, the sympathetic nervous system, is pursuit. That's the first part. They pursue. Like if you think of a child in a store that loses their parents, they don't want to fight. They don't want to run away. They're in pursuit. They want to reconnect to their parents. So that's what happens. Initially, we all go into this pursuit. And right now with this coronavirus thing, we're all pursuing this connection that we need, because that suits our social engagement system.
And we're being aware. Up until now, we've been connecting. That's become painfully obvious how we've been connecting in the moment where we're seeking connection the most.
Well, we've lost the ability. It's like if you don't use it, you lose it. And we're losing the ability to connect with each other. And that's what this virus is allowing us to do. There's going to be some selfishness for the first little while of this, coronavirus. But I think people are really going to come together because that's our fundamental nature. Given the chance, if you look at people through World War I, World War II, anytime that there was a calamity or problem or whatever, people tend to come together because that's their natural state. But there's such a fear.
Oxytocin.
Oxytocin.
Because there's neuroscience. And this is what we're trying to say here. When you can start nerding out on neuroscience and understanding and becoming an expert in the mastery of self-evaluation, self-assessment, self-awareness through connection with the body and through co-regulation, which is connection with each other, when the fractures in our relationship happen, we learn the skills and how to reconnect because we're really here. At the end of the day, everything is falling apart. The only thing that's left is our relationships. And now we're starting to realize it's time to start focusing on those things. And the only way that we can do that is by connecting with the relationship with ourselves.